face and told me that I'm selfish. Told me there is little I can do to repair this. I said I'm sorry and I hope someday that we can be friends. I could have said you make me feel like I am worthless, that you took all I had to give without returning. But I kept my mouth shut because I knew that this was easy. You know that I forgive you. I know you don't forgive me. We're only human, so we hold on to two completely different stories. You know that I will move on, and I know that you won't. Go with the dirt on my name, I'll be waiting for an apology. I'd rather let you speak. Remember when I said I thought we could make history? I cut off all my ties so you could ever love me. Thought if I let you have your way, I'd fall into your good grace. Then you policed my words until I felt like I couldn't speak. Claimed you could read my mind and held my thoughts against me. You bullied anybody brave enough to contradict you. You know that I forgive you. I know you don't forgive me. We're only human, so we hold on to two completely different stories. You know that I will move on, and I know that you won't. Go with the dirt on my name, I won't be waiting for an apology. I'd rather let you speak. You think the more that you complain, the less you have yourself to blame. Isn't working out too well for you, is it? You know that I will move on, and I know that you won't. But with the dirt on my name, I won't be waiting for no apology. I'd rather let you speak. Maybe you'll realize that it's not in your best interest to throw your friends under a bus till you got none left. But